Hi everyone! Welcome to Biology online class. How are you today? I hope all of you always in a good condition. Today we will study about cell division. Learning objective for our topics today is to understand the purpose and the phases of cell division. What is cell division? Why do cells need to divide? How does the process happen? Let's find the answer through the explanation. Let's start. Cell division. Cell division is the process by which a cell divides into new cells. There are two types of the cell division: mitosis that occurs in the somatics or body cells, and meiosis that occurs in the gametes or sex cells. Why do cells need to divide? Living things grow by producing more cells, not because its cell increases in size. Cell division helps to repair of damaged tissue. If the cell gets too big, it cannot get enough nutrients into the cell and waste out of the cells. Now, we will start with the mitosis explanation. Mitosis is division of the nucleus into two nuclei which has the same number of chromosomes. Mitosis occurs in all the somatic cells. There are two major phases: interphase and mitosis. Interphase is the preparation phase before mitosis. There are three phases of interphase. First, growth phase or G1 phase. In this process, the cells start growing, increase in size, and synthesize new protein and organelles. The second, synthesis phase or S phase. In this process, chromosomes are replicated and synthesize DNA and molecules. Usually, if a cell enters S phase and begins replication, it completes the rest of the cycle. The third is second growth phase or G2 phase. In this process, many of the organelles and molecules required for cell division are produced. It is the shortest of the three phases of interphase. The phases of mitosis: P-met. What is P-met? Prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. Prophase, the first and the longest phase of the mitosis. In this process, centrioles separate and move to opposite of the cell. Nucleolus disappear, nuclear envelope breaks down, chromosomes become visible and attach to fibers in the spindle at the centromere. The second phase of mitosis is metaphase that occurs only a few minutes. In metaphase, the chromosomes line up across the center of the cell. Microtubules connect the centromere of each chromosome to the two poles of the spindles. The next phase is anaphase. In anaphase, the centromere split, then the sister chromatids separate and move to opposite poles. Anaphase ends when chromosomes stop moving. The last phase of mitosis is telophase. In this process, chromosome begins to disperse into a chromatin. Nuclear envelope reforms around its cluster of chromosomes. Spindle begins to break apart, nucleolus becomes visible. Cytokinesis occurs at the same time as telophase, form two new identical cells. After mitosis and cytokinesis, the cell returns to interphase to continue to grow and perform regular cell activities. Here's the summary of mitosis. One cell division occurs in somatic body cells. New cells are identical copies of parents. The result of mitosis, two daughter nuclei with same chromosome number as parent cell. Now, we will continue with meiosis. Meiosis is the formation of gametes. Meiosis leads to genetic diversity because there is crossing over in prophase 1. In meiosis, the process of cell division occurs two times. Meiosis produces cells that are not identical with half the chromosome number. Similar to mitosis, meiosis starts with interphase, where the chromosomes and all organelles replicate. First meiosis that reduce the chromosome number. There are four phases of meiosis 1. Prophase 1 that occurs crossing over process that causes genetic recombinant. Metaphase 1, tetrads align on the equator. Anaphase 1, homolog chromosomes separate and move toward the poles. Telophase 1, its pole has haploid set of chromosomes. Two haploid daughter cells are formed. Meiosis 2, no interphase 2 or very short. No DNA replication. And remember, meiosis 2 is similar to mitosis. Prophase 2, nucleus disappear, chromosome condense, spindle forms. Metaphase 2, chromosomes lines up at equator. Anaphase 2, sister chromatids separate. Telophase 2, nuclei reforms, spindle disappears, cytokinesis occurs, forming four haploid daughter cells. The example of the meiosis is spermatogenesis. Spermatogenesis is the process to produce sperm. That occurs in the testes, and the result, 4-meter sperm cell. Another example of meiosis is oogenesis. Oogenesis is the process of the producing ovum or egg. That occurs in the ovary, and the result, one functional ovum. This is the comparison table between spermatogenesis and oogenesis. So, the summary of meiosis. Meiosis has two cell division. Meiosis 1 is a reduction division and meiosis 2 a a copying division. At the end of meiosis, 4 new non-identical haploid cells are formed from one parent cell, each with half the original number of chromosomes. And the gametes are not identical to the parent cell. This is the comparison table between mitosis and meiosis. Okay, everyone, this is the explanation about the cell division. I hope this explanation can help you to understand about cell division. Stay healthy and have a great day. God bless you and see you.